Ayu, this is Lava, Hadra, Phoebe, and Reggie.
Okay.
We are Kuban, and today we will be making a fruit salad and lemon tea. First of all, we will be making a fruit salad. And these are the ingredients. For the fruit salad, there are the fruits like watermelon, melon, apple, pear, and
Can you show us which one? And slow down, PB.
melon.
Okay.
Pear.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What do you want to make first? Okay, fruit salad. Okay. And then? Come on. Okay. Okay. All two portions?
After that, we're also going to wash the watermelon and melon apple.
Okay.
And we're also going to cut the melon and watermelon into pieces.
Into pieces. How about the mango?
We're going to cut it.
Oh, okay.
Because we're cutting the watermelon, the pear, the apple, we're also going to cut the mango.
Okay. How about the lemon?
The lemon is going to be
Oh, for the lemon tea. Okay. I thought we will use the lemon for the
After
salad.
cutting the fruit, we're going to need to put the ice cube.
Okay, ice cube.
In the ice cube, then we're going to need
The dressing.
And after mixing it up, we're going to also use the punch. Okay, that's all.
That's all. Okay, so can you show me?
This is a bowl of delicious fruit salad.
Okay, good job, everyone. Next.
And that's all. So the next thing made is the
Okay. Hmm. Okay. That's the ingredients and the tools. Okay, next, Dama. Cut the lemon into half and then, yes, come on. Into the, okay, put the lemon. After that, okay, it's done. What is this? Hazel, lemon tea, and what is this? Okay, fruit salad. That's all? Okay, good job, everyone.